Hello guys. So it is June 2nd. I haven't been doing anything the past couple days but working. But today is Faith's 13th birthday. So we're gonna go to the beach. Don't get copyrighted. Don't act like you're your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold. You wanna see yourself? Hold on.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
What's your name?
It's
Okay, all right. Hey guys, so we made it to the beach. I just had to do it. Say something. It's your birthday. I'm 13. Okay, I'm the queen. 13 and the queen. It's so beautiful. This is the Pacific Ocean. So the next bit of land, other than like territory land or anything like that, is China. So we're literally on the farthest edge of California. On, I don't know what direction that is. I guess you could say the west. But I'm sure there's a more technical term for that. But yeah, my sister, she's over there. Her right there running. So pretty out here. Got a blanket, Capri Suns, water, hot fries. Let's see what else. She's over there. I got my Bible out here and my devotional because I'm going to do some devos since I haven't done any. Some hot fries, Doritos, Gushers, Slim Jims, pie, coffee cakes. That's my favorite. What is this? Strudel? This is something for my mom. And she got a naked too. I love naked green. And then Faith brought a beach ball.
And he got my bubbles.
You want some bubbles? Yeah. Did you already open one? Which one? This one? Say hi, Darian. Hi. Or not. Ooh.
I ain't gonna do that though. I wanna climb up there.
She's gonna have sand all up in her butt. It's my birthday. Everybody kind of like cooled down. I got allergies. Allergies. I can't say it right.
I got allergies. What?
So yeah, I'm kind of sick on my nose. I cannot talk. I'm like, you know what I mean. It's hot, isn't it?
It's good.
It's really good. It's really fresh.
It ain't working on mine.
Hey y'all, so it is Sunday now and I am at the Great Mall in Milpitas. We just got out of church. Faith had an amazing time. I recorded on my phone because my camera died. It got exhausted yesterday, the battery. But we went to In-N-Out after and whatnot. That was really cool. And then I ended up going to the movies with my mom. And now we're at the Great Mall. We're about to go get something to eat. They have an amazing like plantain meal that we get here. So we're going into there now. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
That's her fake hi. Alright. Bye. This is rice with bourbon chicken and plantains, and then we got an egg roll. It's the best thing ever, and I've tried it at so many different other places and they never have it like this, so yeah.